Alright, so we have a TRANE XE100 high efficiency heat pump. It has a climate tough reciprocating compressor. Let's see, date. It's from 1997, 2.5 ton. And here's a 2011 TRANE XB10. Yep, and it's from 2011. That is a 3-ton. Has Alliance scroll. This might be a has Alliance scroll. This one is a Duquesne, just started up, but I missed that. And here's another one that also has a Alliance scroll compressor. But no, this is a recip. It was replaced by a Alliance scroll, but it places by the recip. It's from 1997, that's a 4-ton. And there's also a 5-ton. And here's some more of these PAYNE units, trains, and another one. This is a performance unit. There's a 14 SEER. It's from 2016, that is a 3-ton. And that one is a energy guide. It's a 14 SEER. And this is a LG skull. This one's a Coping scroll LG. I think it's from 2022. That might be a 4-ton. Here is some more units. It's from 2018. It is a 5-ton. And it just looks the same. This one, that one just not started up, but this one was just started up recently. And here's a Mitsubishi Electric Mr. Slim, and that is a 1-ton. I don't know the data. I don't know the data's right there. That might be from 23s. Yeah, it might be 2023. Alright, over and out. Peace.